Can you believe it? It's been an entire year since Super Nintendo World has opened at Universal Studios, and it's changed a lot of things. One of the things that's changed is there's now an early access ticket. What is this? It's a ticket that lets you into the theme park 1 hour early so you can go down to Super Nintendo World and ride the Mario Kart attraction, do the power-up games, buy merchandise, get food, meet the characters before anyone else is allowed to. There's no one else that gets in this unless you buy this early access pass. So let's go through it really quick. My first advice is buy these tickets as soon as you know your vacation is coming. They sell out, especially during the summer, spring break. These will sell out. No problem selling out. So the minute you guys know you have your vacation, buy as many tickets for all of you as you need to. You don't need your Universal tickets bought. You just need to buy these at least beforehand. Make sure you have these. If you do not have these, you're not going to get in early. That's just it. And if they sell out, you're not going to be able to go that day. The next one is get to early access early. So why do you want to get there early? Because there's actually a process with it while you want to get there early. So step one, you want to get there at least. You want to be at the gate. So this is not driving there, whatever. This is like you want to be at the gate about 40-ish minutes before early access starts. I know that sucks. You're going to wait in a little bit of a line, but it's very much worth it. Unless you're really ready to go, and then you can show up maybe half an hour before. But here's why. They're going to let you into the park. 30 minutes, they're going to start letting people in. So you remember, you have to still check in, and that's going to take a little while because some people are going to be confused. They have the wrong tickets, all that stuff. They're going to let you into the park about half an hour before early entry. You have about 10 minutes to go shopping if you want. And then, this is shopping on like the upper lot. And then they're going to walk you down the main street, all the way down. They will walk you down, all the way down to the land. They're going to walk you. The cast members or the team members are going to walk you all the way down.
Good morning. In a couple of minutes, we're going to be walking you guys down to Nintendo. Just stay behind. Our team members do not pass us. We're going to
This is about 20 minutes before early entry, and you can actually be on the ride before early entry time officially starts because they walk you down there, and it takes a good amount of time, but not normally about 20 minutes to walk down. We're just walking down. They're walking us down. You want to go on these right side ones because the left side, there's way more funning happening. Way more people try to sneak on those. The first thing you want to do is Mario Kart. Unless it's broken, you want to do Mario Kart first. After that, it totally becomes your priority. Now, another thing before you enter the land, make sure you have a power band. Like I said, you have about 10 minutes to shop before they walk you down. Get a power band. So instantly go to the front shop, grab the power band you want. Know which one you want beforehand. They have them all online. All of them are online. You can look up which character you like. Pick which one. Get in line. Have someone grab it and then meet you in line. However you want to do it the quickest. Get those power bands bought before you're walking down. Then you want to link your power band to your app. It's a super easy process. And all you have to do is scan it with your app. So make sure you have the app download, the power band ready to go, and bam, link those two as you're walking down. Believe me, you have more than enough time on these escalators. You're not running because there's team members there. You're going to be walking. And once you get down there, you want to do Mario Kart. The reason you want to do Mario Kart is because when I went, there was a 45-minute wait. And this is when I got there early. Like I said, I did the whole thing early. By the time I got off, there was a 45-minute wait afterwards. Now, if you can do single wire, go for single wire afterwards. But if not, you're probably not going on that ride again unless you want to waste the rest of your hour just in there.
last one.
Yes, Fred!
Hey, Luigi.
Oh, Luigi.
Nice to meet you.
You again. Yes.
My next advice is to let you know about the characters. So if you want to meet the characters, Mario and Luigi came out for me about 15-ish minutes, 10 to 15 minutes after the land opened, which means right after Mario Kart, you need to go find Mario and Luigi. You need to know where they're meeting at and go there, which is right in front of the ride. You really can't miss it. There's a piranha plant there, so I would go there directly afterwards because they will not be back out until after early entry at that point. The next character is Toad. Toad comes out about 15-ish minutes as well, 15 to 20 minutes as well. Toad was out a little bit longer than Mario and Luigi, so I would focus on Mario and Luigi if you really want to meet them, and then go meet Toad. After Toad, about half an hour into the event, into the early entry event, Peach came out. So Peach comes out about half an hour, and then she'll be there for a little while, but they'll cut the line off. So if you really want to meet her, make sure you get in line early. They suggest about 20 minutes early, so figure it out, like how long you want to wait at that point. Now, there's also the band games. These are there's all the games that are downstairs. There's 4 of them downstairs, along with called the boss battle or the raid against Bowser Jr. So basically, to do this, what you're gonna want to do is you're deciding if you don't what you want to wait in line for. If you want to do characters, focus on the characters and then do the games. But just be advised, the games can have a couple minute waits at this point in the time. So if you don't care about characters, then right after Mario Kart, stop playing those games, because the boss battle, that's the shortest time you're ever gonna go battle Bowser Jr. is at that point, which is in the morning or super late at night. That's it, because the rest of the day people are gonna be getting these points and they're gonna be going in to do the raid or boss battle against Bowser Jr. And lastly, the Toad Cafe. Let's talk about that really quick. So this one, just grab a reservation. Do not go though during your hour unless you have no interest in meeting characters or doing games or riding the ride again. Do not waste your time right now doing that. I would get a reservation for later. If possible, get one for about 10 o'clock or even later. And here's my reason why. You probably want to, the minute you can, leave this land, get out and ride Jurassic Park, The Mummy, or Transformers instantly when there's no lines. And you want to do that right after early entry is done. So my advice is just get it for about when the park opens, let's say it opens at 9 a.m., you want to get one for 10:30ish, so you can go ride the other lower lot rides and then come back and then use your reservation then. That's personally my take on it. But yeah, you guys decide. That's just what I would say to do. And one extra little tip here, on rainy days, the characters do not come out. You will not meet any characters on rainy days. And the outside parts of the queue, and this includes Mario Kart, along with all the band games that have outside queues, they do not have a lot of times cover over all of you at all points. So make sure you have an umbrella or some sort of giant jacket or poncho or something to get you not wet, because they do not really care when you're outside if you get wet or not. So anyway, guys, if these tips were helpful, please like and share. If you have any extra tips, please leave them in the comments below, and have a Super Nintendo day.